Good day everybody, welcome back to Munich, welcome back to the channel. Today another walk in the northern part of the city. I just came off the industriepark and on my way to Kieferngarten. Come on, let's go, join me on the way here in the north along the Heidemannstraße. And regarding public transport, this here will be construction site for public transport soon. The northern extension of the line 23, you can see the ad for this over there. More tram for Munich, mehr tram for München, line 23. The extension up here will be under construction soon. I think they started already a little further in the south, because right now the tram terminates at Schwabing Nord station, which is just south of the Frankfurter Ring. So another ring road that's at least crossing in the northwestern part of the city. But soon it will be extended up here and then terminate at the Kieferngarten, which is an U-Bahn station here just to the left, and we will walk there now. The rest of the area here, to the south and a little further to the west, that's where I'm coming from. A lot of industrial estates in the industriepark. The name doesn't come from its residential space, but from the industry estate it is. Here, the street to the right, the Lilienthalallee, one of the more better known concert halls, the so-called Zenit, is not that far away from here. And the MOC, a part of the trade fair of the Messe München, is right here on the left-hand side of the Lilienthalallee. The A9er motorway is this direction, about 300 meters. But we will not go there now, but turn left here in the Kieferngartenstraße. And through this, entering the residential area here. Starts right away with this yellow 70s or 80s building. Not too beautiful, I know, but it fulfills its purpose. A lot of buses are calling here. The Kieferngarten station, we will come to this in about 300 meters. Also a major bus hub here in the northern part of the city. And of course the buses have to get there, so they cross through this residential area here and they call here at the Bernsteinweg. The white colored buildings, not the most modern, but a little more modern than the yellow ones, just at the comparison. And we have more older residential buildings here in the background. This grey one with a chimney. Okay, the bus is now blocking the view. And to its left there are more. And over there you see the bridge. That's not a road bridge, that's the bridge where the U-Bahn goes over. The train goes elevated here in this section, which is an absolute rarity for Munich. We only have two sections where train goes elevated. One is here and one is in Neupellach Süd, so on the other end of the city. And right here by the project Tram for Munich's North, a parking garage has already been brought down. Several construction projects are going on here, Heidemannstraße and Kieferngartenstraße. And here to the right, you see nothing but the higher building in the background. There used to be a parking garage, a park and ride garage, and this will be the new terminus of the tram. Of course, Munich trams only accessible on one side, so on the right side. So you cannot drive the train into a dead end and then come out again the other direction. You have to make a loop or a reversing station. And this will happen right here, where the train will come, the path we just walked, and then have its terminal, its loop, exactly here where there used to be the park and ride garage, right in front of these old big buildings. And these older buildings, I think they are a retirement castle, if I'm not absolutely wrong. And yeah, oh, there's a bunny rabbit over there, you see him? This is where the garage, the parking garage used to be. All this area, which soon will be the loop for the tram. And here on the other side of the street, yeah, we are not that far away from the Allianz Arena. There's a residential area to the left, single unit, one family houses, and a lot of them. Yeah, as you know, I walked every street in Munich, and walking here in this area, yeah, it was not the most interesting walks I did. But the area gets more interesting here to the north, because there is a footpath through to the Allianz Arena in this direction. I will not walk there today. I will take the train because I'm already pretty exhausted. Just forgot to turn on my tracker, but it was some walking, and I do have another gym session with my coach tomorrow, and I think she will she will give me a hard time. But yeah, that's the way I want it. Doing now deadlifts with 140 kilos, which is no slouch, I would say so. And I'm really proud that I'm able to do this. Okay, here, bus station, bus platforms here, bus platforms over there. And the entrance to the U-Bahn is there where these people are coming out. We do have toilets, okay. Why not? Of course, bike rack, everything you need close to a U-Bahn station. Yeah, and more nice new single family houses over there. That's really not too bad. And I will now go down to the U-Bahn, or go over to the platform, down in the cellar, and then back up again to go to the Allianz Arena. I will now film the video you will see in a few days. Allianz Arena at night. And yeah, look forward to this. So am I. Okay, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon here in Munich. Until then, have a good time. Goodbye.